Hello, garden. Hey, girl. Hey, boo. Hey, you. My name is Aisha. Thank you so much for tuning in. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing my makeup. I'm going to just dive right in. So I'm not going to be talking much if that's not your vibe. I'm so sorry. But stick around anyway. Just stick around. Look at this. I know you want to see the final results. Like, look at this. I got prom-rods in my hair. And if you haven't subscribed, join a tribe. Enough talking, enough yapping. Let's get to
Fly uptown, I'm feeling down. I wanna do retail therapy. Be with a gang all week. I need some female energy. Suck my soul, I lost my breath. She got me breathing heavily. Toxic relationship, my queen, but me and the T got chemistry. Told her that I'm a Gemini, now she on Google checking the compatibility. She wanna see if I got the agility. She wanna see if I got the ability. I went round 3, she went round 4. She killing me. ADHD, my trigger finger fidgety. My trigger finger fidgeting. I feel like I need amphetamine. We had the party ton of the MDMA and ketamine. My bro get a box and step on the gang, make money off rock Led Zeppelin. One call away from a tent and take one call and they get to step. The band no hostile, but if it weren't for the trap house, I'd be put down. Of course, I would've made an M-mod call last year if it weren't for the lockdown. They wanna fuck now, we got the top down. Walked out when we had a beat down Honda. Shout out FK, I had no sponsor. Most of my team from the west, no thunder. Fly up town, I'm feeling down. I wanna do retail therapy. Be with a gang all week. I need some female energy. Suck my soul, I lost my breath. She got me breathing heavy. Toxic relationship, my queen, but me and the T got chemistry. Told her that I'm a Gemini, now she on Google checking the compatibility. She wanna see if I got the agility. She wanna see if I got the ability. I went round 3, she went round 4. She killing me. ADHD, my trigger finger fidgety. Walking wardrobe look like the stock room. Mum said I'm materialistic. When you're the boss, that shit won't cost. I'm buying my mum's a coupe for Christmas. Living a movie, but it ain't scripted. God is my witness that I'm my business. Back in the day, I had one pair of trainers. I wore that shit till the game with blisters. None of my cats had whiskers. Do check that if it stays familiar. Went OT and I came back skinnier. Pirates popular white like Nivea. Hands on getting annoying. I'm half asleep and getting a call from Australia. 2 tour buses, I'm doing that road. 1 team, 1 pull up a paraphernalia. Fly up town, I'm feeling down. I wanna do retail therapy. Be with a gang all week. I need some female energy. Suck my soul, I lost my breath. She got me breathing heavy. Toxic relationship, my queen, but me and the T got chemistry. Told her that I'm a Gemini, now she on Google checking the compatibility. She wanna see if I got the agility. She wanna see if I got the ability. I went round 3, she went round 4. She killing me. ADHD, my trigger finger fidgety. Fly up, man, I'm feeling down. Fly up, man, I'm feeling down. I wanna do retail therapy. I wanna do retail therapy.
Headshot. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up. Fade it. Fade it.
I done grew around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask. Backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels. Some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in the dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vow soon. I'ma get fucked up, filling up my cup. I see the crowd mood changing by the minute, and the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip. Then somebody said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, babe, watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor, and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it.
Headshot. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up. Fade it.
Okay, now open your mind up and listen to me, Kendrick. I'm in your conscience if you do not hear me, then
Jimi Hendrix. If I take another one down, I'ma drown in some poison. I'm losing my limit. I think that I'm feeling the vibe. I see the love in her eyes. I see the feeling of freedom is granted as soon as the damage of vodka arrive. This I can capitalize. This is parental advice to the permanently. I'm over influenced by what you are doing. I thought I was doing the most, and someone said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I watch them all fly. All the girls wanna play, babe, watch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it. Drink,
Headshot.
drink,
Sit down.
drink,
Stand up.
drink,
Pass out.
drink,
Wake up.
drink,
Fade it.
drink,
Fade it.
drink, drink,
Headshot.
drink,
Sit down.
drink,
Stand up.
drink,
Pass out.
drink,
Wake up.
drink,
Fade it.
drink,
Fade it.
drink.
This one I bet you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't think get bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. For my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to love. You tell me, what's it come? You want come? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You want come? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat, I no feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a I be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the foot, I no feet.
So I am really loving the look. It's my first time using blush, like a pink baby blush. This is the wrong palette I'm going to show, but the MAC with the Juvia's Place. I feel like Juvia's Place is all you need to achieve a blush look like this. But this is just so cute and pretty, and I'm so happy that the eyeliner is, you know, good family. It's so hard for me sometimes to do that. When I do my makeup, I don't do much to my brows because they are so full already. So I feel like a little goes a long way with makeup, and when you do the whole face, I don't think it's necessary to shape them in, you know, unless that's the look that you like, you know, the really perfect and shaped brow. But I think that it looks more natural and seamless and effortless when you just let them, you know, be. And then if you want them to look a bit more polished, you can achieve that just by like brightening under with your makeup. And you know, some people like to brush their brows and stuff like that. I be doing that, but I didn't do it today. I meant to do it, I forgot. I'm just not remembering. The base looks really good and matches pretty well too, because I tanned recently. So yeah, now I'm just gonna do my lips, and then we're gonna unveil the hair. And yeah, stick around, almost there. If you made it this far, you need to subscribe. I'm not playing with you. For the lips, I'm gonna just get chestnut. I need to like pat my lips though, because the Carmax is pretty intense. I don't want my product to glide so much. Oh, chestnut. It's like super cute. Precision. This is lip gloss from Lip Lab. My girlfriend took me to make my own gloss, so it's like a mauve color. Just saying that to say you can't buy this. We got curly fries. I feel so accomplished. What is it called? Some of the curls are more defined than others. I think a part of it is the size of my locks. They vary. And I think it's easier to get a curl definition on a thinner lock versus a thicker lock, as you can see. You know what I mean? Like, it's more wavy. This one is like, you see that? However, you know, I love this. I think this is gorgeous. I'm trying to just comb it all out and really see what we're working with. What do we think? Oh, I think I look more grown with it this way. Who can come for me? What do we think? I worked hard for this. This was work, okay? But I think we kind of got the gist of it. So just enjoy this model clip. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Aisha. If you're new here, join the vibe, join the tribe. I'm just gonna be bringing you guys along a journey with me with makeup, beauty, lifestyle, and just, you know, getting and healing within and just growing. So I invite you to grow with me. So yeah, stay tuned for my next video. I feel so beautiful. I feel really gorgeous. So yeah, let's grow together. Subscribe, girl. Subscribe. Whoever. Subscribe. Everybody. Why not?